It's 12 cards. And then, so you want to hear this one?
Sure.
Here.
What's this one say?
I cannot see.
Good job! Woo! Wow! It didn't hurt?
I can do that.
Okay. Okay, how about the next card?
Yep. The next card is this last one. Abby, this one has to shake your booty.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
And
Ow!
because I have to do it.
Don't do that. You can only do that on a trampoline, okay? Okay, where's Poppy's card? You gonna read that?
Yes, I have to read it. And that's
Where's Poppy's card? Here it is. Okay, you're gonna read Poppy's card to me again.
yeah. Dear Tristan, have this card. I'm Poppy, and I just got it from the mailman. Now, let's do this one again.
Okay.
I have to do.
What did he call you?
Morning Man.
Oh my.
Birthday news. It's really good. Cool cards. Now this one.
All right. What's with the arms?
Yes, it's like this fancy park.
Okay. That was so nice of Grandma St. Aubin to send you those fun birthday cards. You doing the same one? Whoa. Here, we gotta do the other one again.
This one. Now. You'll read how to dance. Please. Now. And now. And now. And now.
And now? Yay! Tristan! Is that all we got?
Now.
Oh, we got more?
Do everything. We have to start over and over and over.
Really?
Yep.
Should I keep recording it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna wear yourself out.
No. Because I can't. There, Tristan. Have this card from the mailman. And Poppy got this.
Poppy
He
got that?
rated this for me.
Poppy got that for you?
He rated.
Yeah, he wrote it. And what did he put on the front for you? An extra candle, make it 4?
And he wrote it.
That's fun.
Now this one.
Again?
Yep. one.
Okay.
If you birthday Tommy. There's the pink
Wait,
one.
he told you, open it again, open it again. Open it again. That's what he said.
That's it. Grandma like that for me.
Oh.
And there. And there.
Open it again, open it again.
Have to open again?
Well, that's what they said.
I'm not want to open it.
Okay.
Because I don't want to eat it today.
You want to do it every day? What is that?
It's like it's a beauty.
Is that the end of your dance?
Yep. Now the another one.
It's this one.
Oh.
That's the end of your dance? Okay. Happy 4th birthday.
Yeah, the another one.
Again?
Yep.
Okay, well, I'm going to turn off the camera, okay?